Hello everybody, so in today's video I will be walking you through the process of uploading a file or any object really to Google Cloud Storage bucket using the command line interface or CLI. So the prerequisites for this video is that you should have Google Cloud SDK installed in your local environment, and if you do not have it installed, don't worry, I have you covered. So there are two videos that I previously released where I went through the process of installing a Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. So I have included those videos in the description. So if you want to install SDK, definitely check those videos out. So again, those are the prerequisites if you want to follow along in this video. And like I mentioned again, in this video, we will be going through the process of uploading a file to GCS bucket using CLI or terminal. And generally, there are two ways that people mostly upload files to GCS bucket. And the one that is commonly used is through the console or the browser. And the other option, which we will be going through in this video, is through the CLI. Okay, so we will be covering the CLI part in this video. The utility that will help us achieve this functionality is called gsutil. And gsutil is nothing really but a Python application that lets you interact with Google Cloud Storage account from command line. And with this gsutil, again, you can do a wide range of activities. Like, for example, you can create or delete buckets, you can upload objects, you can list buckets, or you can move, copy, or rename objects in your bucket. So in this video, again, we will be going through the copying piece, and copying really is uploading. If you want to upload files or objects from your machine to your bucket, you copy them or you upload them. So we will be going through that process in this video. All right, so let's get to it. So right here, I am going to go to my terminal or a CLI. So I'm using Windows, so I'm using the command prompts. But if you're using Mac, then most likely it will be terminal that you will be interacting with. And again, like I mentioned, you will need Cloud SDK installed in your local environment. If you're using VS Code, I also went through a process of connecting your VS Code to your GCP account. And with that, you can use Cloud Code extension in VS Code, and that gives you the same functionality. So if you don't want to go through VS Code, then definitely there's also another video that I made where I went through the process of installing Cloud SDK, and that is what I'm using currently in my command prompt. Okay, so I'm going to clear this, and so what I want to show you is the packets that I currently have in my account. So I'm going to list the packets. So I'm going to do gsutil ls, and this should give me the list of packets that are currently in my cloud storage account. So I do have 3 of them, and I'm going to use the second one to upload a packet from my local environment or machine to this bucket in my GCS account. So let's see if we have anything in this bucket currently. So to do that, I'm going to just do gsutil, and I'm going to list, and basically you just want to copy this URI here, right here. Okay, so I'm going to list and see if there's anything currently in this bucket. So it looks like there's nothing, and you can also confirm the same if you go to your browser. And again, these are the 3 buckets that I currently have, and the second one is that one that I chose. So if you click it, you will see that it's empty. All right, so we want to upload a file from our local explorer, file explorer, basically from our local desktop or wherever you put your files. So we want to upload that file to to this bucket. Okay, so generally, like I mentioned, people just directly use the console and upload a file. It's pretty straightforward. But through the CLI, how do you do that? So I'm going to go back to my terminal or command prompt, and what you want to do is you want to navigate to the directory where your file is stored. So you can do that, or you can copy the entire path, right? So for me, I'm just going to navigate to that particular directory where my file is stored, and then what I will do from there is basically just upload it to the bucket in Google Cloud Storage. Okay, so what I will do is navigate to a folder. So I'm going to go here, and I have some of these files here. So I'm going to copy this path, just copy that, and then I will cd to that file, cd, and paste it here. Okay, so that is the part where we have those files. So these are the same files that we're just showing, these 4 files here. Okay, and what we want to do from here is copy one of these files to this bucket here. All right, so that is basically uploading. You're just copying it, and to do that, all you have to do is do gsutil, and the option here is cp. So this one will copy this file from this directory to your bucket, and what you want to do after this is specify the bucket that you want to upload this file to. So that will be this bucket right here. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and just click enter, and this will upload this file. No, this is going to fail. The reason it's going to fail is I did not specify the file. Okay, so we have to specify which file we want to upload. So the one that we want to upload is this one for insurance. So I'm going to copy that, and I will put it right after the copy command like this. Okay, so it is gsutil copy and then the name of the file and where you're copying it to. So assuming you were not inside the folder where this file is located, then what you'll have to do is specify the entire path. So it will be like C folder and all of that. I think for me, it will be the entirety of this, like from C drive all the way to data and then slash the file name. Okay, but I'm already in there, so I'm just going to upload this file. So then just click enter. Okay, so they should be able to upload this file to that bucket. All right, so there we go. The operation completed and one object was uploaded. So I'm going to clear this again, and I'm going to list now what we have in this bucket. And earlier it was empty, so now we should be able to see that there is one file that we just uploaded right here. Okay, so there we go. And you can do the same thing. You can verify from your browser or a console. It was empty, but if you refresh it, we should be able to see that file. Okay, there we go. All right, so that is the process of uploading a file to your bucket using or through the CLI. And you can upload anything really. So I have a, like this was a CSV file. You can upload an image, you can upload a video. All of those are generally called objects, and Google Cloud Storage bucket can store everything. It's called data lake, so it just takes everything. Okay, so the process is the same if you are uploading any other object. All right, guys. So like I mentioned again, this was a process, or this video, or in this video, I was going through the process of uploading a file. So we have achieved that. And if you want to generally learn about gsutil, you can go to this page in Google Cloud. So these are the documentation in general. So you can go to gsutil option there, and you can read more about this tool. Okay, so I'm going to put this one in the description as well. so that you can refer to it if you want to. But yeah, we do have a lot of options here. Like for gsutil commands, the one we used there was copy, and it comes with a number of options. All right, so you can review it and just familiarize yourself with how it works. All right, guys, so that is the process of uploading a file to your Puppet using the CLI or the terminal. All right, I hope that was helpful. Again, if you have not subscribed to this video, please take a second and click the subscribe button. I will be doing more videos on this topic, so definitely subscribe so that you can stay updated. All right, guys, thank you very much. I will see you later.